Welcome back, Funmaticians. I'm always excited to have you here. I'm sure you remember what this line is called. It's the number line. In the previous lesson, we learned how to add numbers on the number line. In this lesson, we're going to learn to subtract numbers on the number line. It's going to be so much fun. This is the subtraction sign. When you see this sign, it means you are to take away the smaller number from the larger number. What is that I hear? It's the number line song. Let's sing it together.
Number line, number line, number line. Subtraction on the number line. Number line, number line, number line. Subtraction on the number line. Number line, number line, number line. Subtraction on the number line. Number line, number line, number line. Subtraction on the number line. When subtracting numbers on the number line, hop, hop backwards on the number line. When subtracting numbers on the number line, hop, hop backwards on the number line. Number line, number line, number line. Subtraction on the number line. Number line, number line, number line. Subtraction on the number line. Number line, number line, number line. Subtraction on the number line. Number line, number line, number line. Subtraction on the number line.
Welcome back. When subtracting on the number line, we have to hop backwards from the larger number. Let me show you how. 5 minus 2. We start hopping from 5. We will hop 2 times backwards. 1, 2. Where did we stop hopping? 3. This means that 5 minus 2 is 3. Let's learn some more. 9 minus 5. We have to start hopping from 9 and we hop backwards 5 times. Where did we stop hopping? 4. That is correct. It means 9 minus 5 is 4. Are you having fun already? I'm sure you are. Okay, your turn. Subtract 3 from 11. You start hopping backwards from 11 3 times. Hop, hop, and hop. The answer is 8. Let's have one more exercise. Subtract 7 from 15. 15 is the larger number, so we start hopping backwards from 15 7 times. I know it's a stretch, but you got this. Hop, 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 and hop. We stopped at 8. Therefore, 15 minus 7 is 8. Well done, super smart Funmaticians. You sure have learned to subtract on the number line. Make sure you keep practicing and have fun hopping. Bye!